yan. Sa ano, mamaling buhay. Bumuhay.
Rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand.
Kahit na marami tayong pinagkakasama, kasahan mo, kahit ano, sabi nga sa hotel.
It was the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. And revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing.
Kailangan ay walang lihim ang isa't isa.
In a foreign field, for some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name. Never an honest word, but that was when
Unahin ko asawa. Pa rin, habang buhay at sa kabilang buhay. Tanging pagmamahalan lamang ang nagtutod sa inyo para magpakasal ngayon ng mga sila.
Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name. Never an honest word, but that was when I ruled the world.